I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because Apple locks Maps data to your Apple ID and device. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to confirm Maps permissions. This tells you where documents and data live. Once done, make sure you back up to iCloud or a computer so you can recover anything important. You need your Apple ID password and device passcode for data removal steps. Keep them handy. Now move to the Maps app settings and storage overview to begin the deletion. You now remove local Maps content. Open Maps and delete saved places, collections, and recent searches so you don't leave fragments behind. Next, go to Settings General iPhone Storage and find Maps. Choose Offload App to keep settings or Delete App to remove app plus documents and data. Pick Delete App to fully clear local files. When prompted, confirm you want to delete the app and its documents. This makes sure stored tiles, search data, and offline caches are removed from the device. Finally, remove any Maps data in iCloud. Settings, tap your name, iCloud, manage storage, and delete Maps data if it appears there. This prevents sync from restoring deleted items. Once cleared, restart the device to flush caches. If deleted data returns, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force a fresh sync. Troubleshoot by restoring from a clean backup or contacting Apple support if documents still persist. This gets you back to a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.